This is our product knowledge presentation on Nike Incorporated by Nick Brown
and Ashley Polsine. From the Nike brand and Nike Incorporated, we chose to look at the Nike NBA jerseys. These jerseys were unveiled in September 2017. Since Nike is still partnered with the NBA this season for jerseys and apparel, they are very popular and they have a great look to them. They have also added different editions of jerseys to the team lines, such as the City Edition jerseys. The primary target market for this product are NBA fans. It can include basketball fans as a whole, and NBA jerseys have also become a fashion statement in the past few years, so they may interest some people from just a fashion standpoint. Some of the main competing products are Nike NFL jerseys, Adidas NHL jerseys, college sports jerseys, and Majestic MLB jerseys. Since they are all sports jerseys, they are competing to get certain sports fans to buy them. Whether it is for supporting a team or a player, they are also competing as a fashion line. When the jerseys were first launched, one of the focuses of the uniqueness of the jersey is that you can use the Nike content and unlock its content from scanning your new Nike NBA jersey. The jerseys contain an NFC chip, and you can access a whole bunch of information about the NBA and your favorite team from connecting with your jersey. When making the uniforms for the players, the designers focused on movement, thermoregulation, and fit. The selling price for these NBA jerseys from the Nike website are $110. If you were to look at the price of the jersey on a retailing website like Sport Chek, the price is $130. Presently, jerseys for professional teams can usually range from $100 to $250. Since there is less material used in a basketball jersey compared to a hockey jersey, I think the price is at good value. This deal with the NBA is an 8-year partnership to produce their jerseys and apparel. We believe this brings great value to Nike as the NBA looks to expand themselves as a global brand, which Nike has done successfully. This allows Nike to expand their international brand even more, which also allows for more international revenue. Also looking at it from a fashion standpoint, this increases the attractiveness of Nike's fashion lines, since these jerseys are being looked at as fashionable, along with being a sporting goods product.
The next product we will talk about are the iconic Jordan Brand shoes. Jordan Brand was established in 1984, but the first Air Jordan shoe was released in 1985. Jordan Brand has grown so much for Nike. They bring in about $2.5 billion in revenue for Nike, with the majority of their sales coming from the shoes themselves. Jordans have been a staple in the streetwear fashion, and it will remain iconic for years to come. The main competitors for Jordan would be the large companies in the shoe industry, for example, Adidas and Under Armour. But they also face some smaller competition from Asics, New Balance, and Saucony. The target market is very broad. It goes from your shoe enthusiast or sneakerhead collecting the different models and collaboration of Jordan shoes to your typical basketball player buying Jordan Brand sponsored athlete signature shoes. The Jordan shoe can really appeal to all. What makes the Air Jordan shoe so unique is the iconic Michael Jordan Jumpman logo. That is what makes the Jordan Brand shoes jump out when put next to its competition. They are also known for their high quality leather and suede finishes as well. With that being said, Jordan Brand prides themselves on being able to deliver a high quality fashion shoe that is also extremely comfortable to wear. The average selling price for the Jordan shoe ranges from $250 to $350. That price range is if you are lucky enough to get the shoe for retail. Jordan's price rises tremendously in the resale market. Jordan Brand brings in about $2.5 billion for Nike each year. It also lets Nike further connect to the basketball culture and helps in the dominance of the 96% basketball footwear market share that Nike owns.